As it's us again. Yeah, I'm with him. I can't fingers. So,
This is really interesting.
we were doing stuff earlier. It was fun. Crazy butt stuff. Yeah. But yeah, so there's a third one of us. He's not in the group, but
That looks weird.
So what are we gonna talk about in this video? My cat.
I don't fucking.
Kitty. My
I'm gonna put it on the cat.
Put it on the cat's face.
Yeah.
She's going into a hiding place.
Must escape humans.
And she's gone. Okay.
Finger,
Finger.
Finger.
You're enjoying yourself. Okay, so what were we doing earlier? We were doing some parkour. Sadly, we didn't have a GoPro with us, so we couldn't really do shit about that. Can you stop fingering that? For 10 minutes!
You know, I can, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna.
You dense motherfucker.
Yeah, that tends to happen.
So
My videos normally don't go that organized, so did you see my video that I posted?
yeah, you were literally just sitting here. Yeah, so hi,
So-
I'm Wolfy.
Yeah, and then,
Hi, I'm
you look
Wolfy.
down to the bed, and then like bounce, and then I cut that part. That's like the best. That's probably like the best part of the video.
You know, we're gonna need to record like an actual intro video for some of these.
Really?
Like we're gonna just like have a video of us in my basement and just like ultimate fist punch.
Fusion.
We'll have to like double fist it and then just like slam our heads together, and that'll be the beginning of every video we make.
Crazy butt stuff. Double fist.
Ooh,
I'm the only one on video, Scott.
I know.
It's not okay.
Okay, now how did our friendship start? We were playing a game.
We played a random old game back in the day.
Back when I was a kid.
When I was younger,
When I was a kid, I didn't have no crazy butt stuff.
I always had crazy butt stuff when I was a kid. Back in Nam.
Back in Nam.
Back in Nam.
I got the pipe.
Nailed it.
I got the pipe.
Ooh. Spoon.
Dust came out of it. There's dust in my mouth.
Go into the freezer in the kitchen and go grab the ice cream. Yes.
There's ice cream in the freezer?
Yes.
What flavor of ice cream?
Cookies and cream. Bring it to me! So yeah, that's basically our friendship in a nutshell. We're gonna make this video extra fucking long because we're assholes. So, basically what we were doing earlier is, me and one of my friend, John, that's Wolfy. I also call him John, because that's his name. Anyways, so, we were sitting there with my little brother, and we decided, hey, we're bored, let's go do some shit. And then I decided, hey, I want to call him, because he's cool. And he's my best friend. So, he came over to the high school with us, and we parkoured for a little bit.
I have the ice cream.
Woo! You have ice cream. Cool.
My junk is full. Mom's home.
Mom's home?
Should I put the ice cream back?
Cool.
Should I put the ice cream back?
Probably. Want a bite first? So, yeah. My mom just got home, so that's always fucking fun. Where'd my cat go? Oh, yeah. She's in the window. So, let's go say hi to everyone. Let's go. Ooh, that sounds fun. You know what? We're not going to say hi to anyone.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Hey there.
Hey. How many subscribers do we have? That's a great question.
I can't remember.
Right, you should probably go check. While you're doing that.
So, mom's not home.
Oh. Hey, Jeff. How are you? I am good.
Is Jeff a cool guy?
Jeff is a cool guy. You should go meet Jeff.
I'm gonna go meet Jeff.
Okay, you go meet Jeff. I'll use your phone.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so I'm checking our subscriber count. Looks like we have 11 subscribers. Ooh. Do we seriously have 11 subscribers? How many subscribers do we have? I need to know. How many do we have? We have 11 videos. Wow. How many people do we have on this? Nerg.
Scott, what are you doing?
I'm on the Echo right now. Figure it out. Fix it.
Oh god.
Ah.
Skill is too real.
You know what? We're going with YouTube lighting.
Because this is totally legit YouTube lighting.
Dude, this is what... I mean, like, it's quality lighting. So,
We have 6 subscribers.
woo!
But we're not allowed to look at who they are.
Yeah, we are.
I'm not.
Bitch.
You know what? You can go screw yourself.
You could go screw me. Ooh, ear sex.
With the middle finger.
This is why we're best friends.
Wait, we're friends? I'm joking. No, don't stop me. No.
You bitch.
I'll use my fatness to put it to. Yeah.
You're not fat.
I believe what I want.
I will stab you with glue.
Prison shank with a bullet.
Oh my god. I'll stab you with a piece of glass.
But why though?
I don't know.
I didn't do anything.
So, what shall we say? We have over 15 minutes. Don't do that. They're all nice people.
You are nice people, but
I love all 6 of you.
all 6 of you, I love you.
I love all
I
6.
think one of them is actually my girlfriend.
One of them is actually me.
I don't.
I
haven't
had
been able to subscribe to us yet
Arthur-
because I don't have the thing.
Arthur also subscribed.
How? Can you send me a fucking link or something? Because every time I've looked up the channel, it's not there.
Go into the channel section of it.
We don't have a profile picture.
Oh yeah, true. We need a profile picture of all 6 of us. Wait, how many are there? 8?
Wait, do we have any fan art of the Echo? Like,
No, but remember that email that we got from that one dude?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let me go into the Google thing. And let me see. Oh, fuck it. Sorry, my Google is turned off.
Of course it is.
So
You know, I'm just gonna feel stylish right now.
Feel real stylish. I feel hipster.
You
Got
are
my
hipster.
beanie, got my flannel, got my glasses. Glasses.
You should eat this.
No. No. Skip.
But why though?
Because
But why though? But why though?
you can die.
Okay.
That's nice.
let's get started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here.
Ooh, do I have my Sharpie? Oh shit. Still not a drawer. Alright.
Customize.
Give me a second. I gotta write something down.
How do you usually get around? I walk. How do you usually commute? I walk. I walk. That's my answer to everything. Reminders, no. How do I change my... I'm gonna Google how to change my Google stuff. Oh, well that's porn.
Whoa, dude.
Well, I'm gonna be brutally honest. Fucking course.
Of course you're gonna be brutally honest.
With the animals.
He's gonna hate me for this.
Scott? You.
Don't worry, I'll edit it a little bit.
No, you won't. We both know you won't. What's the email? Wait, saving dot not dot com. Saving.
Don't say it out loud, dude. We're gonna have to cut that out.
I just said saving.
Okay.
Savings. Progressive. No.
There. Fixed it. So am I.
It's backwards.
Shut your dick.
It's not out. See? It's not out.
Yet.
No.
This isn't the duct tape from a duct tape challenge I did.
It's a lot of hair.
Look at this one. Feel it. I'm mean.
So,
Oh, and then there's this one.
do we have any numbers in it? Is that it? I don't know.
At gmail.com.
Just that, but it doesn't have.
Then there's this piece.
What's the password? I'm gonna ask the group chat what the password is because I can't remember. Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm gonna have to cut that out, maybe.
If we can't hear it.
Woo! Wait, is Sharpies like whoever made Sharpies? Are they gonna like ding us on that and just be like, "Hey,
No,
you showed a product."
Scott, I said I had a Rice Krispie treat, and they're not gonna ding us on that. So
Oh, true. As long as we don't show it. Oh shit, I showed it. I'm gonna have to cut that out, aren't I? Oh well.
how do I do this?
Please don't hit. Please don't ding us on that.
Ding ding ding.
And then there's this piece.
How many things do you have?
4. I want to make you into cat.
I don't have my tail, so no.
I'm professional, I swear.
I'm done.
Say. Alright. So,
still
we
don't
got
know
4
how to-
minutes left before we're going over the limit, and it's going to take for fucking ever to upload.
Glasses. Look, it's Fetus Scott.
Ooh.
You should take it down and show it.
This one?
Yeah, Fetus Scott. It's Fetus Scott.
That is me as a fetus.
Fetus Scott.
Fetus Scott.
Fetus.
Fetus.
Fetish.
Stick to my feet.
Fetish. Google.
Okay, Google.
How does I?
Oh my god, what are you Googling?
I'm trying to figure how to change the profile picture and stuff.
Oh, that's easy.
How
Go into the profile.
So can you see my adapter?
Your adapter?
change
Is your adapter?
Yeah.
Is mom home? Cool.
picture?
Hi, mom!
I don't think she's in the door yet.
Okay.
Launch a new web browser window. Log into your YouTube account.
Are you recording that?
Yes, we're recording this.
Why?
Guys,
Because
YouTube.
why the hell not?
Because you just put it on YouTube.
Yes.
That's kind of a stupid reason.
Oh, hey, little brother. You know what? It's gonna be all 4 of us now.
I just farted. I'm out.
Thanks.
Oh, those 2 are out. I like this view way better than us.
Wink.
Wink, wink.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Pat, pat. There, child.
Pat, pat,
you
pat.
pat. No, you pat hard.
It's like the only thing that's hard. Baby, come back! Oh! Okay.
I'm back.
Yay! I love how Spider-Man's just like dwelling in the background, just hey nigga.
I am the sole protector of this bedroom.
Batman.
That's Spoderman.
I'm Spider-Man.
Spoderman. Spoderman does whatever a Spoderman does. So you need to edit out this little part I'm about to do. When I walk out, you have to edit it out so it makes it look like I was gone for longer.
12 hours later.
Yes.
12 hours later.
Username button in the upper right corner of the YouTube page. To reveal a drop-down menu, select My Channel. Click this edit.
I will try to edit that out.
So open up a new thing. Go into YouTube.
YouTube.com. YouTube.
This page will be opening. No.
YouTube and anal lube. Wait.
Okay.
In our settings, did it allow us to go over? Why you got? What did I do?
John opened the door with.
I know. I can see through the mirror.
Oh, okay.
I can also see my amazing picture. He still watches.
So should we end it off here?
Savannah!
Oh.
Oh, Savannah! Buy me a pizza!
Oh, so what?
Alright, guys, I think it's time that we're gonna end this video. Isn't that right?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.
I need to use one hand. Now we should say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Bye. Later, dudes.
End the video, damn it.